The new mBanking feature allows customers to enable debit card for international usage. To disable international card usage for all accounts, log into mBanking application. Click Request. Click Disable. Then click Disable International Card for all countries. Then click Submit. Accept the terms and conditions. Enter OTP code, and then your ATM debit card has been successfully disabled for all countries. The blocking or enabling will not impact any online transactions, like m-commerce site. The customer has the option to choose a country for a particular date range for the usage of debit card to be enabled. After the date range is completed, the card usage will be enabled in the selected country.